I see.
Oh my gosh! Look. That's so cute. It's a snail. Dad, look! It's a Hatchimal.
I see that.
We just Rena pressed it and then boom, it opened.
Thanks.
We opened everything. All right, Rena, let's get digging. But where's my digger? Oh, here's the screw.
First off,
And I think I found something.
by the way, Mario and Isabella,
Yeah?
those empty boxes that you guys were playing with the past couple weeks, I'm going to be throwing those out
Why?
because I don't have any room for them and they're a mess. So this is the final weekend for you to play with those boxes before I trash them. Okay?
Rena, I found something.
Oh, that one? Yeah, really okay.
Alright, Mario. Let's see what's going on here with stuff out here. Alright, first off, so what is the, we have teddies. Okay.
That's the costume. That's the costume.
Is this yours? This goes in the clothing? We'll put that in the clothing. What is it? Is this trash? Are we gonna trash this whole thing? Is this Alright, who is Big Teddy Bear? Is this Drea, Big Teddy Bear? Take this to Big
Rena,
Teddy.
look.
Isn't this hers?
I got
Ooh, what
it.
do you see?
No.
I just found something.
Teddy Bear clothing. Alright, we'll put this in Drea's room.
Hey, look, I found something. Oh, yucky.
Alright.
Break it.
Is this
Break it.
Isabella's Raggedy Ann doll?
Yeah.
Oh, yucky. Oh, yucky. Yucky, yucky.
Only for today, and then it'll be trash. Alright.
Oh,
Now these are
yucky.
teddy things, right, Izzy? These your teddies?
Huh?
These are yours?
Yeah.
Okay, bring me one of those buckets. Bring me your doll bucket over. I'll put these teddies in the doll bucket for right now.
Hold on, I'm opening something and it's so icky and slippery. But it's so icky and slippery. It's gonna slip out of my hand. Yucky. That was so yucks. Now I'm gonna have to put it back in.
Ariana, do you want these thingies? They're separators. They normally go in these.
I guess.
Okay, there's 2 packs. One for each of these. But we're not going to use them for that. One's going to be for her LOLs and Hatchables, and the other one's going to be for dolls. Hey, Mario. Where you went, Mario? Here. Let's go.
You just set these up to the side.
Rena, now we got each other's mixed up.
No, it's just this one.
Here's another one of your socks.
That's because you have to dig it.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot, we already gave away those other socks. Gosh,
Dig
darn
it.
Alright, this is these.
This. No, you have to dig it out.
Are you sure? You
Yes,
can't
that's.
just let it plop down.
Take downstairs and put next to. Just set it next to the Christmas stuff downstairs.
What do I
And we'll
do with
have
this?
to get something for that.
Throw it away.
Look over-
Right here.
Little costume. Just go ahead and take that down and come back.
Now I'm gonna go wash my hands. Dude, that was so icky.
You got Mario? Come on, Mario, shut that up and let's go. Where's the garbage bag? So we put 2 small clothes in. So where's the garbage bag? So we put 2 small clothes in. Alright, is this a keeper? Keeper, yay or nay? Huh?
Is that something? I see something.
There.
Look what I found. Whoa.
I'm gonna open mine too. Rena, you're supposed to dig it. Use the scooper. Yeah.
You just go like this and flip it upside down.
Oh, I could find something. Holy moly. Rena, I found shoes. I found her shoes. This one's yours. I think I got something. Seriously, Rena, use your hands like I did. I used my hands and then washed my hands. Why? That means you're being lazy.
No.
Hey, Rena, look.
Mhm.
Found a shirt.
There's another one
Where?
for the sandbox, and you drop some sand.
Oh, nice, Rena. Is this everything? Is that the only thing you found?
Mhm.
Oh. This is cute.
There you go. Do the rest.
Seriously? No.
Mhm. Do it.
That's it. I'm pitting this. Now you have to use your hands.
Do you want the egg?
Yeah.
No.
turn this on. I'm not gonna open this until you use your hand.
Do you want these?
No. Rena, use your hand. That's it. Rena, I should not have let you use this in the first place because first of all, you're being lazy. Second of all, you want me to do all your stuff. And I don't want that because you're trying to be lazy so you don't have to do everything. You didn't even do this. I'm the one who's doing all the work.
Why don't you use your hands?
Whenever I get anything else for my birthday, I'm never going to let you play with it or use it.
I wasn't even playing with it or using it. I was just helping you unboxing it.
So I shouldn't let you use I shouldn't let you unbox it with me anyway because you're the one who did everything and you made everything worse.